Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Install the Mesh Creator application and any official plugins, then import your source asset immediately. If you have photos, organize them into folders named by capture sequence. Make sure your GPU drivers are current and close background apps to free memory. Once done, launch the app and create a new project, name it clearly, and import the model or image set so you can start processing without delay. You now handle the middle, more complex steps. Clean the raw mesh and run an initial low-resolution pass. Start with auto-clean options, remove duplicate vertices, recalculate normals, and heal holes. Next, run a low-res build to validate topology and lighting. This is faster and reveals issues. Then increment resolution in stages, checking for artifacts. If dense, retopologize or decimate selectively, preserving silhouette. Make sure to save incremental versions so you can revert if a step corrupts geometry. You complete the workflow by optimizing and exporting the final mesh assets. Bake necessary maps, normal, ambient occlusion, and texture maps, then validate them in a viewer. Adjust materials and scale to target units before exporting as OBJ or FBX and save texture maps as PNG or TGA. Once exported, test the mesh in your engine or renderer. If something goes wrong, check normals, object scale, and re-import the saved raw project, often rerunning the clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.